As you can see, I'm cooking a burger here. So this is a precision induction cooktop. So I have it here on my fridge. As you can see, that is the side of my window. I put the protection so that nobody can see, but I have another video talking about that. That I have the window in the back of my car, but as you can see, this doesn't produce heat, at least here on the surface, like a regular coil stove. And I can put my finger over here. I can have things here on the side, even the towel all around this thing, even the beverage that I have the tea. As you can see, nothing is smelting. Everything is cool. The only thing that will get the heat is just the pan by itself. And that is how you cook the burger. So here you can put some of this seasoning, and I'm going to flip it over, and that's it. So that is how you can cook on your car. Roll down the windows if you don't want to have the smell of a burger in your car. Other than that, you will be okay. You need the inverter. In this case, this is 110, so I have the inverter. With the 200 amps hour that I have in the battery, it can run on max here. If I want a high, low, or whatever, just fine. Now I'm going to leave it just in medium because that is enough. I had it running for a few minutes, and it takes maybe less than 5 minutes to get very hot. You put the burger, you flip it 1 or 2 times, that's it. Now we are cooking a steak. Steak tastes great, so I like it a lot. As you can see, it's feasible. What I recommend is use it in max for 10 minutes, so that way the iron will be very hot, and then after that you can lower it a little bit. Just roll down the window so that way you don't have all this smoke inside of your cabin. In this case, I leave it a little bit up. I mean, I didn't open them up all the way because one is winter time, another up, and the second thing is because there is a car coming or people talking or any other noise. It will interfere with the video, but as you can see, it's feasible. It works just great.